Good morning, guys. So I wanted to jump on here. Today is Wednesday, April the 1st. So we're going to do a calendar time in just a minute. We're going to go ahead and go over your activities for today. So today in reading, you were to review the stories from Monday and Tuesday. So the stories from Monday and Tuesday were The Tall Girl in the Jungle and then The Tower Climb. Okay? And it says use the reading discourse cards found at the end of your reading packet. So in your reading packet, what it needs you to do today is go back and read this story and go back and read this story, The Tower Climb and The Tallest Girl in the Jungle. And then you're going to go and your parents are going to help you with the discourse cards that are at the end of your packet, okay? Now with Letterland, we're going to read poems P and Q today. So we're going to go to P and Q. So who is P in Letterland? Who is that? That's Peter Puppy. And what does Peter Puppy say? Puh, puh, puh. Very good. Very good. So it says puh, puh. So Peter Puppy is the letter P. So let's read this story. Peter Puppy is in the park. Park. And remember the AR is Arthur R., Red Robot's brother, so he takes the A vowel, and he says his name. He took the A sound, so park. He's playing, on the swing, swinging up in the sky. Remember, Y can make the Y, the I, or the E sound, and it's going to make the I sound today. And we could even sound that out. We could go y. Well, that's not a word. E. That's a word, but that's not how we spell it. Or sky. And it looks like there's a sky in the picture. Swing up in the sky is such a wonderful, and then we're going to fill it in. Sorry, guys, I'm sure you hear Archer. Good morning. All right, so now we're going to go down here and we're going to read these 4 words, and we're going to fill in the word that makes the most sense. So we have pond, pond. We have game, game. We have ring, ing, if it'll let me highlight it. And then we have thing, thing. So, swinging up in the sky is such a wonderful pond. I don't know if that makes, I don't think that's it. Swinging up in the sky is such a wonderful game. Well, is he playing a game if he's swinging up in the sky? No, he's not really playing a game, is he? All right. Swinging up in the sky is such a wonderful ring. Well, there's not no rings, so there's only one thing left. Swinging up in the sky is such a wonderful thing. So your word is going to be thing. Okay. Now we're going to go down here to quarrelsome queen. What letter is that? Q. And we go qu, right? Qu. All right. Quarrelsome queen writes her letters with a quill. She must be very careful that the ink does not, all right? She must be very careful that the ink does not, and then we're going to fill in the blank, okay? So let's sound out our 4 words. Drip, drip. Sting, sting. Spill, spill, or feel, feel. And remember, we're wanting it to rhyme with the word quill, so it needs to end with that eel sound. So does drip, drip. She must be very careful that the ink does not drip. Now that could be right, but it doesn't end with that eel sound, and we're wanting the rhyming word. So drip is not it. Okay? Now sting. She must be very careful that the ink does not sting. Well, the ink doesn't sting, does it? So that's not it. All right? She must be very careful that the ink does not spill. Well, that sounds really good, and it matches with quill. So that could be our answer, but let's go and check this last word just to be on the safe side, okay? Feel. She must be very careful that the ink does not feel. So is it drip, sting, spill, or feel? It was spill. Very good. We do not want the ink to spill. So you're going to put that there. Very good. All right. Handwriting, you're going to practice your P and Q today. Remember that we're practicing top, middle, bottom lines. Now next year when you move into handwriting, you will probably not use top, middle, bottom, but we are using top, middle, bottom to help us with our handwriting. So I want you to make sure and remember that when we're writing, we follow what it says. It says 1 to go down. We do not pick up our pencil. We draw that line straight back up, and then we do the second motion and we go around. Do not pick your pencil up. So I want you to practice tracing those and then do those and then come down. Now lowercase p, it stays below the middle line and it hangs. So we're going to take it and we're going to go 1. We're not picking our pencil up. We're going straight back up. And then we're going to do the second motion, making a circle around. Okay? And then with the letter Q, again, the uppercase Q uses all 3 lines, top, middle, bottom. We're starting out at the top right here where that 1 is. Do you see where that 1 is? Do not pick up your pencil yet. So we're going to go 1. We're going to go all the way around. Now we're going to stop. Now this is the exception. We do have to pick up our pencil to draw this line. So you're going to pick your pencil up and go draw a little line at the bottom, 2. Okay? Then at the lowercase, we're back to not picking our pencil up. We're going to start at 1. We're below the middle line. We're hanging. We're going to go around at 1. We're going to come up. Stop at the dotted line. We're not picking our pencil up, and then we're going to go down and make a little curve. And that's how you do the P and Q today, okay? I want very neat handwriting on that, okay? And then on our math is complete practice 10. So we're going to go to practice 10. Understanding addition. So what you're going to do is these are the pictures over here. On this side are the addition problems. You're going to match the picture to the addition problem. So this one says 2 plus 3. So remember, part plus part gives us our whole. So we should have, on this one, we need to find the picture that has 5 altogether. And do you see how they're 2 different colors? Because the gray is one part, the white blocks are the other part. So if this was 2 plus 3 equals 5, we need to find the one that has 5 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know that this one has 5, so let's make sure it matches the number sentence. It should have 2 for the first part and 3 for the second part. 1, 2, so that's 2. And then 1, 2, 3, and that's 3. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5 altogether, so we would match it there. And so that would leave this one for that last one. And then we would go down and we would continue to do that. So we would look for the 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that means you're going to have 3 of one color and 3 of the other color, and you should have 6 altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know that's not it because I counted past 3. I need to have 3 of the gray colors cubes, and I need to have 3 white cubes to match this number sentence. Well, I counted past 3, so I know that's not correct. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but I need to make sure that I also have how many white cubes? 3. 1, 2. Oh, so that's not right. So let's go down to this last one. We should have 3 gray cubes and 3 white cubes, and they should give us 6 altogether, okay? So 1, 2, 3. There's our 3 gray cubes. 1, 2, 3. There's our 3 white cubes. So 3 plus 3, and let's make sure there's 6 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to draw it and match there. That is your work for today. It also says to continue working on moving and grooving in your science activities. And then it says parents' initial completed activity. So choose a PE and an art activity for today. When you have finished your reading, your letterling, your handwriting, and your math, please make sure that you submit it into your student portfolio so I can check them to make sure. Okay? Bye, guys. Hope you have a great day.